welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for joining me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we get to know each other, interact, and everything. Before I get into this video and what it's about, happy Black History Month to my black and brown people. Can I just say how proud I am and how excited and like how fulfilled I am of us as a group, of us as a culture, as a community. Like, I'm just so excited about the flourishing of us, about, you know, us kicking down the doors, knocking down the doors, being great, loving our skin, loving our melanin, and not to mention the Black Panther movie that is coming out, which I am so duper really excited about. I have my outfit ready and everything. Like, I'm showing out. I'm excited. Like, I'm ready. Like, I'm just proud to be. I'm just proud. Like, I'm proud to be black. Like, there's no other feeling. There's no other greatness. Like, I'm just excited. So yes, so happy Black History Month. Let's continue to flourish. Let's continue to grow. Let's continue to be great and dope. This video will be about my twist out. Twist outs is what I mainly do when it's cold outside in the colder months in the winter time. That's what I like to do. That's what I do. And my staple brand that I use for my twist outs is Bodyworks. I've been using it for 2.5 years now, and that is the product that I go to, that I know that my twist outs are going to come out bomb, flourishing, moisturized, clean, no residue, no nothing, and mix well with the Eco Styler gel that I use. So yes, that's the brand I will be talking about. And the line that I'm using is one of their new lines. It's the Citrus Fusion for hair and body line. So this is a dual action line. It's the Citrus Fusion. It's the butter, and I just use the butter and I use my Eco Styler gel. I usually use leave-in, butter, and gel, but this line doesn't have a leave-in conditioner, which it doesn't need a leave-in conditioner because the butter is moisturizing on its own, which is a plus, which I like. So yes, this stuff is amazing. Like, I have no negative thoughts on the product itself. The only thing that I do wish that it also had was a co-wash, because I like to use the products within the same line, but it doesn't have a co-wash. It just has a conditioner, and it has this butter, and it has a foam. So yes, so this is the product I'm using, and with it being Black History Month, this is a black owned brand. A black owned brand. So I mean, you might as well just go out and buy this. This line is like $9 and some change, and then the shea and coconut line that I use is like $7 and some change. It's for the low, so it doesn't hurt to try. It doesn't hurt to just, you know, it doesn't hurt to try at all. This is the line that I will be using, and as you can see, it's almost gone. Like, this has replaced my shea and coconut line that I always use, and this has taken the cake. So I mean, I have no complaints. I have like no worries, no nothing with this. So yes, so I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it helps you, and let's get right into it. Every time I do a leave-in, no, after every butter, no matter what I'm doing, a wash and go or a twist out, I spray again. This is just to ensure that I don't have any flakes on my hair when it dries because of my low porosity hair. I mean, the struggle. But once you learn the process, and once you have a routine, and once you have a method down, you won't have any issues. So this is why I always wet my hair. Oil. Any choice of oil that you want. I have coconut oil, olive oil, and castor oil, of course. I'm going to twist it going back. So the main thing with doing my twist styles, I make sure all the twists go in the same direction. So we'll go this side, will go back, this side will go to this side, and this side will go to this side. So they're all going in the same direction. And I also like to do diagonal part, so like the hair will kind of fall in my face.
Just so unfinished, I feel like my new.
Okay, so I'm all done twisting my hair. It takes me about an hour and 15 minutes to twist my whole head. So yes, when I'm done, I like to just take a t-shirt. I always use a t-shirt to dry my hair, to blot my hair, anything. I never use a towel. So I just take a t-shirt and squeeze out the excess product. And then I take my pins, of course, to secure the ends, well, the roots of the twist, so it's more defined. I always like to do that. I think that is what helped my twist outs be more defined, because then it will just be loose and then it'll be puffy at the roots, and that would be annoying. So I let this air dry. It takes my hair about a good 18 hours to air dry. I don't like sitting under the dryer because my hair never comes out right when I sit under the hood dryer to dry my twist outs or diffuse my hair or anything like that. So I just air dry all the time. The only time I do sit under a hooded dryer is when I'm deep conditioning, and that's not even all the time. That's if I need, you know, some extra help for the moisture to penetrate my hair, since I am low porosity. But yeah, so this will take about 18 hours. And the trick that I learned is the first night so tonight I won't sleep with a bonnet or anything on my head. I would just lay my silk scarf over my pillow so it doesn't disrupt my hair or make it frizzy or anything. I would lay my silk scarf over my pillow and just let it, you know, breathe and dry like that, because it'll help it dry faster instead of putting a bonnet on the hair, and then it's going to take longer for it to dry. So yes, that's what I would do, and then I will come back to show you the results. for watching my video. I hope it helped you, and if there's any other brands that you use that, you know, if there's any other brands that you use that helps your twist styles and moisturize your hair, just leave it down in the comment section and I'm gonna check it out, because I honestly haven't found anything else that works with my hair. So I will be down to try anything else that you suggest. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. And until next time, into the next video, remember to be great, to be positive, and always go after what you want. Always go after your goals. And happy Black History Month again.